Mga kada, the doctors are in. Kaya naman let's meet our friendly online doctors na patok sa TikTok. Si Doc Keith Oblipias, isang naturopathic doctor, at si Doc Bea Chan, isang dermatologist at registered pharmacist. Dahil sa kanilang passion sa medical industry, gustong mapalawak ni na Doc Keith at Doc Bea ang naabot ng kanilang serbisyo. Ang solusyon nila, paggawa ng content. Kung may tanong kayo tungkol sa kidney, liver, at hypertension problem, kayang-kaya yan ni Doc Keith. At kung may problema naman kayo sa skin like acne, breakouts, or skincare routine, si Doc Bea ang bahala sa'yo. Let's all welcome sa kada stage ang friendly doctors natin from TikTok, Doc Bea and Doc Keith.
Mga kada, kasama na po natin si Doc Keith Terry Oblipias and Doc Bea Chan. Welcome to Kada Umaga!
Welcome!
Thank you for being here in the flesh. Si Doc Bea pala na-guest na natin before, Aubrey, pero on Zoom. So maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak lagi sa amin dito sa Kada Umaga. Kamusta naman po kayo?
Kamusta lang? Masaya naman kayo today?
Yes. Finally, nakarating na ako here.
Yes, kasi nung last time Zoom, sa mga 2000, ano yun, 1? Bang
Yeah, I think 2021.
2021. Si Doc Keith naman, malayo pa ang pinanggalingan. Yes. Pero maraming salamat sa pagpo-provide na ganitong klaseng free consultation sa ating mga kada na maaari walang means to go to a doctor for consultation. Diba? At least ngayon, meron na tayong libreng health information na mapagkakatiwalaan natin. Diba?
Yes.
So, can you tell us, bakit po kayong nagpursige na mag-umpisa ng sarili ninyong social media accounts?
Okay, so...
Si Doc Keith, last year lang yan,
Yes.
kagagraduate lang.
Kaka-graduate ko lang po last May, and habang nag-aaral pa ako, naisip ko na talaga yung hashtag make it happen eh. So, ibig sabihin, naisip ko na talaga mag-vlog kasi gusto ko talagang i-share yung knowledge ko about health. Noong una talaga, about finances and health talaga yun po. Pero...
Finances?
Yeah. Kasi
Finances,
po... Yes.
financial literacy.
Yes. Kasi naintindihan ko po na dapat lahat tayo Filipinos, you know.
Well-versed in that.
Opo, yes. Finances and health. And
Yes.
then, it turned out na mas na-focus po ako sa health. So, 1 to 2 minutes, iba-iba yung nagiging topic, lalo na sa about PCOS, yung about liver, kidney health, and mga tips kung ano yung mga pwede nalang gawin to prevent different kinds of diseases, yan. Sinishare ko po sa kanila. Nagiging happy naman ako kapag nag-share sila ng thank you, Doc, kasi dahil sa video mo, na-prevent ko yung sakit na ganito. So, yun.
But, Doc Bea, isn't this, doesn't this run counter dun sa mga practices ninyo? Kasi, in effect, parang ginagawa nyo ng libre, yung dapat ay binabayaran ng consultation fee.
Oh, well, actually, there are some instances na very simple yung educational na info lang naman yung sinashare. And then, we still advise patients not to self-medicate kasi syempre, minsan, nagkakamali ng pinapahid, mas napapalala pa yung condition nila.
Napag-uusapan yung consultation. Bakit nyo nasimulan na magkaroon ng online consultation? Pwede namang one-on-one. Meron bang mas nare-reach nyo ba yung mga malalayong patients? Ganun ba? Paano nyo nasimulan yung online consultation?
Actually, mine kasi, well, I started during the pandemic talaga. So, I graduated 2021 from dermatology residency. And then, syempre, being a 30-year-old, I mean, you don't want to be a bum naman sa bahay, diba? I mean, diba, you want to prove yourself. So, I started making TikTok videos for fun lang. And then, of course, nung time na yun, uso rin talagang online consultation kasi you don't want to risk getting infected. Oo.
So, ginawa mo ng tinuloy-tuloy mo na lamang, di ba? Nirecord mo na.
Sumabay ka na sa TikTok,
Sariling account mo na rin. But I know that you're an introvert. Was it difficult for you to start?
Well, siguro nandun kasi yung inner desire to prove myself. I mean, ano kasi ako studious talaga ako as a student. And then of course, when you graduated, pandemic. So parang, ano na, is this it? Diba? So you have to prove yourself. And I had to like, go out of my comfort zone and of course, try something new. Actually, mabilis lang yung educational content. Yung pag-e-edit, yung mahirap. I had to learn it I had to
Agree
like,
ako dyan.
diba, look for video sa YouTube para lang matuto paano mag-edit.
Yes. How about you, Doc Terry? Paano ka nag-start? Sa TikTok din ba? Nag-dance ka din? Hindi naman.
No, I'm just sharing studies po. 2-minute new studies about...
Ano yung
my-
pinakamadalas na mga problemang ikinoconsult sa inyo? Yun, like PCOS?
Yeah. Kasi recent post ko po, since I am also a registered medical technologist, nag-share din ako kung ano bang possible na pwede mo mag-insight kapag ka ganito yung itsura ng urine mo. Yun, in just one day.
Oh, I saw that nga.
Yeah.
Oo, yung parang if you have too much protein.
Yeah, po.
Oo.
Then madaming nakarelate talaga po nung time na yun. So I think it's about kidney problem. Nakikita kong common din ngayon po.
How about you, Doc Bea?
Ang napansin ko kasi, for females, yun nga yung na-mention mo kanina, Miss Bia, ano talaga, kili-kili problems talaga. Oo, yun talaga. As in, pag yun ang content mo talagang, marami talagang views.
Nagka-come alive yung mga tao. And what are the kinds of comments that you get? Siyempre, hindi maiwasan, meron din mga nega. How do you guys deal with that?
Well, actually, bago talaga ako mag-start, ni-ready ko na yung emotional quotients ko. I should be, hindi lang siya IQ dapat talaga. Dapat mataas din yung EQ mo kapag nakikita ka sa SOCMED. Kasi hindi may iwasan. Like for example, nakita pa nila yung pimple ko. Isa lang yun. Sabi po nila, Doc, nagkaka-pimples din pala mga doktor. Ganun po. So,
Siguro naman, guys.
hindi maiiwasan, but nagiging inspiration ko rin po yun.
Guys, para sa mga nanananghalian dyan na pasintabi po muna, medical naman po ang pinag-usapan natin, medical issues, medical problems. So, ano po yung pinaka-memorable?
Yes,
Meron po ba kayong naaalala na pinaka-memorable question or encounter sa isang netizen? Have you experienced sagutan with them? Ganon?
Well, me, I don't. I just delete the comment and actually I just block the hater. Wow, hater!
Normal, di ba? Talagang meron talagang mga bashers, di ba?
Yeah, and then, well, parang I try to remove myself from the negative situation na lang. That's what I do.
Tsaka you said na maraming, in your 132,000 followers on TikTok, marami sa kanila ay OFW.
Yes, oo. I was really surprised because I get OFW patients. Sometimes nga nakakahiya. Kasi syempre yung timeline ko is yung Philippine time. And then sila minsan, madaling araw na pala sa kanila. I tell them, no, you have to tell me. I can adjust naman. Nakakahiya naman na minsan like 2 a.m. na pala sa kanila and then 5 p.m. here. But then what I realize is that I can help them somehow kasi yung medical consultation is readily accessible to them because sometimes not covered by insurance.
Correct.
Or sometimes too expensive.
Oo. Tsaka iba pa rin talaga yung magkakonsult ka sa kapwa Pinoy mo kaysa foreigner, di ba? From somewhere else. Kaya nga, very in demand ang mga medical professionals natin all over the world kasi iba yung concern na binibigay natin, we're more sensitive, ganyan. Tapos ikaw po, you also use this for your medical missions, right? Paano po?
Yes. We do medical missions po here in Manila once a month. And then every Wednesday sa Laguna po, nagme-medical mission po kami ng uncle ko kasi kaming dalawa po yung partner sa clinic namin.
Wow! So, nagagamit mo yung social media to inform
Yes,
them,
yes
perhaps,
po.
kung
And to
saan kayo
promote
mapupunta
also.
next
Yes
time.
po.
Ang dami po nagpupunta.
Yes po. Sa totoo lang, may mga times talaga na at mga 5 p.m. na kami nakakapag-lunch dahil talaga sa dami ng patient. But we're very happy naman to help other people also.
Yeah. I'm sure matindi rin talaga yung fulfillment na ibibigay ninyo in helping others. Even though you can't see them face to face, at least nagiging aware sila, and at least we know na they're absorbing and they're believing in real and not fake na information. Ano po ba yung may ibibigay ninyong advice para sa mga kada natin in filtering the kind of info they see on the internet?
Well, me, since ngayon, Google is there. You can also search naman. You can also counter-check yung facts ng mga nababasa or napapanood para doon tayo sa sigurado.
Oo, kasi sabi nila, wag paniwalaan si Dr. Google. Diba?
Parang si YouTube University. Parang ganun. So, any plans pa in the future, yung mga medical, free consultation, anything pa na plans nyo on social media, new content, may mga plans pa kayo?
Alright, so since nagsisimula pa lang din naman po ako, no, and ang goal ko talaga, ang passion ko, no, and purpose is of course to share my knowledge. So, more on medical missions pa rin, pagpapatuloy pa rin, and hopefully magkaroon ako ng sariling clinic din.
Ayan.
Opo. And then kapag nagkaroon na po ako ng sariling clinic, I am more on hindi lang social media but also focus din po dun sa
On a
sarili ko.
physical clinic.
Yeah.
Kaya, Doc Bea, Doc Keith, why don't you go ahead and invite Arcadas? The doctors are in. At saka dito, 24/7, di ba? Kahit kailan pwede kayo magtanong. At readily na naman nilang sasagutin. So, go ahead and invite them to your social media channels. Doc Bea.
Yeah. So, you can all follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Bea Maxine MD.
Alright. So, hi everyone. You can also follow me through my TikTok account, Doc Kit, and my Facebook, Kit Oblipias RMT ND, and also to my YouTube and Instagram, Doc Kit also.
Yun! At dahil sa maganda ninyong content, and thank you and for being here in the flesh, may pabaon ng kada umaga mula sa Miniso. Maraming salamat mga doctors for the service that you provide to Arcadas everywhere.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
po.
guys. Mga kada, lahat po tayo ay pwede nang maging content creator at mapakita nyo yung mga talents natin online world, sa online world. Pero mas maganda po yung gagamitin natin ito sa tamang paraan.
Katulad ni Doc Bea at ni Doc Keith.
Yes.
Maraming salamat. Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyamago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!